So you've already seen that the store looks incredible. It actually is very, very well done up. But that's just the visual part of it. What's the heart and brain of a service center? That's what we're about to find out. So you're coming out here, and this is where your experience starts. These are the kind of things that you really will be coming in and saying you want to slip for. So it's just an inquiry, a delivery. This is an out of warranty, a repair for your phone, dealer if you're a dealer, or accessories. They do have a few accessories out here. So let's say mine is an actual repair. So I press this button and I get this slip. And I'm going to go and take a seat out there, and they have this.
Number R18, counter number 3.
All right, so I've already been called, so that's pretty cool. I've got R18. They're even running this by my name. So R for Rajiv. No, must be for Realme. Okay, R for Realme. And we're going to go to the counter now and just find out what happens once I've got this. So I've got the token number. Let's find out what happens out here. So I've got a phone, and I need repair for it, and the screen is broken, right? So how long will that take?
सर फर्स्टली मुझे आपका इनवॉइस नंबर चाहिए होगा.
Okay, ठीक है.
डिटेल बताएंगे देन आप.
When you come in out here, they'll ask you what your problem is, your invoice number, is it still in warranty or not, and then the real magic starts. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. The first one I'm going to get my camera person to actually turn around is this. This is very interesting, something I haven't seen before. No, I'm not talking about the person, I'm talking about the transparent window. So what he's doing is a lot of people come in and they are a little skeptical that what you've been told about what is wrong with your phone versus what has really happened are different. They have a transparent area out here where they'll open the phone right in front of you to show you, usually for water damage and things like this.
Some customers do prefer that, basically having a service centers create a complete confidence within them, where they can reach over there, they can get the phone repaired in front of them. Like you will see there's one transparent window over here where the customers can actually see their phone getting opened and getting it repaired. So sometimes certain customers, even the youth, would like to see their phone getting repaired in front of them and getting it done on the same day.